Ella, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about quickly Ramsipili. Oh my God, I loved everything that he did there. He was so angry. He could not even control his anger. He was so angry at this point because he's sick and tired of Baloyi playing dumb in that courtroom. He's sick and tired of Baloyi doing everything that he's doing in that courtroom. He's sick and tired of Baloyi badgering his client. He's sick and tired of even the judge not doing anything about it. I am here for it because uRamsipile, guys, irrespect yakhe for uJudge Ratha, including uBaloyi. Oh my God, ithe out the window. He is tired. He is tired of it all. Akasena xesha labo at all because at this point. So yesterday, one of the things that happened was Ramsipile. I don't know how many times he got up to object on things. I think 3 or 4 times, but all of them, you could see that he's an unhappy chap. All of the times that he was objecting, you could sense that he was not happy with uBaloyi and he was not happy how the cross-examination is going, to an extent that towards the end, he ended up showing up and showing off and saying, you know what, that's it, Fotek. Guys, he did not say food taking. It's me who's food taking, okay? But he was angry. Oh, that he was pissed Kesana to from Ubalu. He was totally pissed off Kesana at this point. He was totally pissed off because what the hell, son? What the hell, son, Ubaloi? Why would Ubaloi spend 10 weeks with someone who witness box? Why must Untanzi spend almost now we are going to a third month for Untanzi witness box, and Ramsipile is not impressed. Ramsipile is not impressed at all, Kesan, because what? Because what? He is not impressed, Kesan. And enye into endiyibona into yoba uRamsipile akayithandi kukuba so he's really not impressed with uBaloyi uRamsipile, and you could see ukuthi akayithandi le ndlela enza ngayo. Akayithandi because the way he came in, he told him yesterday about how cross-examination is supposed to be. He told him about how cross-examination, like he was angry because now uBaloyi has put Untanzi in a position whereby Untanzi must first ask questions because he's not understanding. And then after those questions, uBaloyi must answer to Untanzi. So he was telling him, yeah, now me as uRamsipile, when I do cross-examination, I ask questions and I don't read the record and then expect the person to understand. I direct my questions. When you are in a position where you have to answer to Untanzi, and then uBaloyi was like, you could see also uBaloyi that he is not impressed with uRamsipile, and uRamsipile didn't even care. Let me tell you, he did not even care, uRamsipile. And uRamsipile was so angry. Oh, I tell you, he was not impressed with Mr. Baloyi. He says, Uguti, you know, I don't understand because yesterday, you want your bread to be buttered both sides. You don't know, okay, you don't know where your bread you want it to be buttered. He's like, yesterday you said, yeah, I must clarify for a witness. Now it's wrong to do. Uramsipile, what I also, you don't tell me that. The reason, Uramsipile came back and said, the reason Untanzi is even you asking you questions is because you are busy loading him with a record. You read the record to him, and then when he doesn't understand, you have to clarify. That's why he's asking you questions. You are putting him in that position. Why are you not asking questions? Why are you not asking questions so that he can answer? Now you are doing back and forth and you are sitting here. We will sit here until Jesus comes because you are doing that. You've been going through. You don't ask direct questions. You go through question. You go through a record and then you ask him to comment. So before he can comment, he must first understand that what you are saying or what he is hearing is what he is understanding. Then answer you. Don't you dare. Yo, my God. He was so angry. He was so pissed. But guys, I loved all of it. I loved everything that Ramza was doing there. Guys, if you remember Uramsipile back in the day, 2023, when we were introduced to him, he was that guy who was, his voice was shaking. He wouldn't know how to do a comeback, because I think back then he used to think that this is a clean case, this is cut and paste as per usual. We're gonna just go to the courtroom and do things as per normal. When he finally realized, Gucci, no, Apa, we don't play by the book. Uramsipile wa unleash a beast out of him. He fetched a beast out of him. At first, he dealt with Ubaloyi. Then he came for Judge Rata. He started bit by bit, step by step, piece by piece. By the time it's 2026, that guy tells them off, because Judge Rata at some point tried to defend Ubaloyi. No, the problem that we have here is Danzi. He is the one that is asking questions. Uramsipile what? I won't tell you logo now, but because you sit here and listen to this one. He is doing that because this one gives me and gives him opportunity. Why is he not controlling the situation? OMG. OMG. I was so impressed. I do not want to even lie to you. I was so impressed with Uramsipile. I was so impressed by how he moved. I was so impressed by how he did things. I could not. I absolutely could not like what I was saying. He told off Judge Rata, he told off Ubaloyi, and Ubaloyi got distracted. The other thing that I like is that, remember how Judge Rata used to distract the defense lawyers with his interference and stuff? Now, I'm liking that Ubaloyi is so nervous and so stressed and frustrated to an extent that whenever these objections happen, he gets distracted to an extent, he forgets what he wanted to say. He forgets where he wanted to go. So now he comes and says, you know what, my lord, it's 3:15 now. It's nearly the time for adjournment. How about I come back, we adjourn, and then we come back tomorrow, and then I'll start a new topic. What? On that note, by the way, there was a time now I wanted to clarify one point. One point. When Ubaloyi objected here and he was here that I said I'm gonna move on. And then the judge, you, my lord, with all due respect to both of you, you, my lord, assisted him. You guys came for me here for trying to clarify one point. Today, yes, in fact, yesterday, he says, yesterday we had Ubaloyi saying he's gonna start new points today. And then today he comes, he spent almost 1 hour, 55 minutes to be exact, dealing with yesterday's things. He kept on saying, yesterday you said to Undans. Now, you did not come through to the arena, but that day, when it was me, you did that. And now he wants to tell us that tomorrow he's going to start on new topics. He says 1, 2, 3 topics. I don't know whether he meant he's going to finalize today or what. And Uramsipile, what? I'm here. We are watching. Oh my word. I was so happy. I just don't want to even lie to you. I was so happy. I was so impressed. And I was here for it. And one thing I appreciated about that is that Uramsipile stopped being worried, stopped being too respectful. There's nothing wrong with being respectful. It's a need. Professional and respectful is what he is. It's in him. But calling out people, oh my God, you could see that he is irritated in his face. You could see that he has decided, I will show up for Ndanzi. And the other thing that was happening was Ndanzi keeping on. I've been here for 10 weeks. You've been asking me the same thing over and over again. Yabana, every year, I already answered that, but I'll continue. Jonga. That tag team, no, that it's a tag team that we didn't know existed, Kanjiana. We didn't know it existed that way. But right now, Uramsipile sithi uNtanza befakazi athi uNtanza sithi uRamsipile efakaza ngapha. I love it. I love it. It's dramatic. It makes the courtroom dramatic. It shifts the energy around, and I'm enjoying it. I do not want to even lie. And at this point, Umnisi decided to be funny. He got up and be like, my lord, we still have 15 minutes. We can start with the new points. He was even smiling and laughing, and why not? Is like, no, the state is dominated, whatever those things that they call. So if they want to, don't no, not in this aspect, and then they had to adjourn because anyway, what were your thoughts about what was happening yesterday? Because I enjoyed it. All of it, the drama, I was enjoying it. Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Do enjoy your day. Bye bye.